Hey everybody, happy 2020. Haven't done a live stream in a long time, so yeah, thought I'd do it. I've got a new setup here, so let me just check my audio levels here. Sounds pretty good. I should be able to see your comments if you comment on any of the places. It looks like it should be on YouTube right now. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's on YouTube and on Twitter as well. So if you're either of those places, say hello, and yeah, we can hang out a bit. And let me just set up my screen here and I'll show you what I'm thinking of changing today. So here we go. Just make sure I've got everything else hidden here. Okay. All right, so I think I can show this now. Let's go to my desktop. Should I move my head over here? And I'll open this up. Yeah, there we go. So I'm thinking of, oh, hey, how's it going, Todd? Good to see ya. This is what I'm thinking of changing is this page here. This is our pricing page. And I mean, you can probably already see part of the challenge with this. There's a lot of stuff going on here. It feels kind of complicated. And I'm wondering if we can maybe improve this by going to a kind of traditional 3-column approach. One of the reasons we did it this way was we were thinking about folks like ConvertKit. They've got this pricing table here, and you know, when you have a lot of things kind of going on, this is one way to show all your features. Although you can see like there's a check mark in almost every one of these. The only differentiation is the number of subscribers you get. So yeah, I don't know if this is the best way for us to represent, you know, what you get when you sign up for email or, in our case, podcasting. So that's what I'm kind of debating. And I got a little bit of code from Adam Wathan, so I thought I might try putting that in, and we'll see if if that works better. So let me see if I can find it. All right, so let's pull up this chat. Okay. All right, so here's some of the Tailwind code that Adam sent over. And my plan is to just plop this into the existing pricing page, remove the old thing, and just put this in and see if it works. So let's start by creating a new branch here. Let's go switch to master, pull down that one, and let's create a new branch called new pricing page columns. All right, so that's what we're going to use, and let's open up Visual Studio Code here and kind of close off what I was doing before. So I think I've got everything in this pricing HTML blob. The way this is all kind of configured is most of the pages on our website use like a template, but pricing and the home page, because they're so custom, we end up just using all custom HTML. So this is what we're going to replace, and let's go to this here. We're just going to copy all of this, put it in, and we'll see what it looks like. So where do I want to start here? Background gray 200. Might just open up that page here and see where does this kind of start. All right, so right here. Let's actually just put this in here and see what happens. Okay, so this gives me an idea of what's going on. So this is like the whole page. So can I just grab, kind of want to grab everything that's from here down, I think. How far does this get me? What does this do? Oh, this, okay. It's interesting. So, yeah, let's delete some of this stuff. Okay. So basically, we're select the right plan. I actually just want everything here, right? I actually got to view this inside of. Okay. So. Can I just get this piece? I want that. And I want that. Yeah, I think these are the only two I want. We can just test that out in here. So let's go back. There we go. Yeah, we'll definitely need to tweak some things. Something that we get in here that I'm not getting. These are the mobile styles, I think. Oh, wow. Lots of people just showed up. Doing well, Mike. How's it going? Hey, Duncan. How's it going? Good to see ya. Yeah. Yeah, there's a $0 plan. Okay, so this is, I'm just going to delete that now. That's mobile style. And then this is the style for the desktop view here. If we go back. So I think what I'm going to do, let's close this table. Okay, so let's delete this table. And now, what do we got up here? I think I'm going to take all of this just to try it, but we'll make the background white. Okay. And then we should take everything else here. Okay. So let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, we don't want white actually, we just want, actually don't need white at all. Don't need any background color there. Okay. All right, there we go. Looks a little bit better. I might just put gray here for now, just so I can see how Adam and Steve had this originally kind of laid out. So the plan right now is I just want to test out, instead of having a grid for like a grid like this, I want to test out something that looks more like this. So yeah, I'm going to need to copy over what we had. So let's actually go to transistor pricing. And if we go to a mobile view, basically going to copy these features into this kind of layout. Let's start by renaming these so we at least have them. So the basic, standard, plus in our vernacular is starter and some other stuff. I can close this now. How do I just close? Okay. All right, so this will become starter. This will become 19. And let's see what happens when we take that out. This will become professional. And this is 49. And take that font out. I don't know if I have a cold. This just showed up. What's wrong with me, Mike? What's happening? Yeah, this just came out of nowhere. All right, so that's professional, 49. And then this is business for 99. All right, let's look at this. Hey Sam, what's up? Man, it's been so long. I missed all you folks. Here I am once again, tweaking a Tailwind pricing page. You'd think after all that work I did on the other one that I would just let it sit, right? But here we are again, making something new. Right, so, oh, this is weird. What are you folks seeing? How come it's so zoomed in on your side? There we go. I kind of got a new webcam. It's, oh, look there, I just did it again. I'm accidentally zooming in. This is the, here, I could probably show you if I switch cameras here. So let's go, okay, this is this camera. So that's the camera I've been using now. And then there's the microphone. And I got a few bad lights set up that aren't great. So yeah, that's the, that's why things look a bit clearer probably. Okay, so this is what looks like. And these are all going to be the same. Man, it feels like we're always just duplicating the same stuff over and over again. But I'm going to want to list things out. I wonder if there's a built-in, okay, so it's responsive by default, which is nice. Oh, there goes my microphone, my headphones. Well, I think I'm going to just keep going here. Welcome to programming. Exactly. Yeah, in this case, it's not so much about duplicating class names, it's more about, I've got all this content here, and I'm just going to be now copying it over over there. Okay, so let's go over here. One thing I know we're going to remove is, so we're going to start a 14-day trial. That's right here. And then I got to think of a fancy way to, because we do have credit card required. Let's look at this again. I can also just see what it looks like without that 14-day trial thing. I mean, no credit card required thing. Let's see where else this exists. Down there, so let's just delete all that. Okay. And then we could probably put this in every single one. And yeah, we'll have to reinitiate whatever we did here. I'll have to rebuild over here. John Buddha did this. So yeah, I'll have to see what that is, but I'm gonna add this over here. So you save, what do you save here? I gotta pull up my thing here and actually, okay, so so it's normally 19, but 190 divided by 12 is 15. You could say save $3 per month, or you could say save, what sounds better, $3 per month or $38? It almost sounds better like that. Okay, so let's go find that. Where is that save? So this happens after the price. Here. And we'll say save $38 per year. All right. How's that look? Whoa! I put that in the wrong place. Yeah, what do you save percentage-wise? So 190 divided by 228. 16% or 17%. You think that sounds 6.7%? Sorry, I got text messages to answer here. Tons. Okay. Save 20% is compelling. Okay, but why did this appear in the wrong place here? $2.99 per month. I pasted that exact same thing here. What happened here? Why is it showing over here? What the heck's going on here? Something's weird. I don't get what's different. Starter. But this has position absolute. Well, it worked, so guess you were right. Hey, what's that? Is that Darian? Well, I don't know. It just worked when I did that. What do you think now, Mike? Because save $38 per year when you can see that, that's kind of compelling. Oh, should I add that? Or should I just keep it the way it is? Am I going to get in trouble if I keep it this way? Okay, I'm going to just keep going. Well, I guess one thing that we should check is if this still renders properly in mobile. Save $38. This kind of doesn't look great, does it? Might have to fix that up. Okay. Oh, by the way, did you folks see Alexis Ohanian, the founder of Reddit, just launched a podcast on Transistor? It's pretty cool. businessdad.initialize.com. You should check that out. Pretty stoked about that. Yeah, it's just launched today. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. I don't know when I'll be a guest. That might never happen. Although I am a dad. I am a business dad. I am a business dad. Okay, so Sam Podlagar says remove absolute from all of these. Let's see what happens when we do that. It's weird how push that down. The spacing actually works better if you don't have absolute in there. Sam, that suggestion just fixed two problems. Two problems, one stone. Yeah, but it looks like it's still working, right? To my eyes, everything still looks right. You know, the other question, Mike, will be, so what's the other one you got? 49 times 12 or 490, right? So is that always, it's always going to be save 17%, which I don't think sounds as good, right? Because that saves 98 bucks. And then this saves 198. So I think we'll save 38, 98, 198. All right, saves 98 per year when paid annually. And this will be saves 198 per year when paid annually. Let's look at that. Sweet. All right, so now where's my other thing here? Let's start. The one thing that is cool about this is that the way this lays it out is it's like you get everything in starter plus, right? So let's go back to starter here. Everything, where is that? Everything in starter. And then the other one was everything in professional. It's so much easier and better going from a template, like not just a template, but like even having content already in here that I can just edit. I think that's the advantage of stuff like this. It helps you get started, right? Okay, what do I got here? Create unlimited podcasts. Live customer support. Advanced analytics. And then built-in podcast website. And then actually the other thing, so in our case, Sam, they upgrade because this is actually something I need to fit into the design here, is they upgrade. You know what? Actually, I think I'm going to move this down here because I need to say how many downloads you get per month. That's why people upgrade, is they upgrade to get more downloads or they upgrade to get more private podcasts right now. So 10,000 per month, 50,000 per month, or 150,000 per month. And then private podcasts is the other reason people upgrade. But yeah, I think I need to put this down here. So now I have to remember. How do they have that? Where is it? That was this right here. No credit card required after the... Okay, so let's go back here. Underneath there, right? Yeah, okay. So let's go back here. And... see what this looks like. Save $38 when paid annually. And then we will change this to 10,000 downloads per month. The other thing I could do, let's go monthly downloads, 10,000. I think I like that better. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so let's kind of take the same template and go like this, go like this. Go like, oh, I need my, just need this, right? Yeah. Now this is getting messy. This is 50,000. let's finish this off, do the same thing over here, and then see how that looks. So this is going to be 198, and then I want this to be like this. You get 150,000 on this level. Yeah, that would be nice. Oh, whoa, that was crazy. Live streaming feature, or actually what I would love in Tuple is the ability to just send out a link, like a join me link, and have anybody who's watching just be able to join. Okay, so $19 per month, monthly downloads, create unlimited podcasts, live customer support. Wow, there's a flurry of messages that happens around 4:20 here. They do get 2 collaborators. That's another thing. Let's go back here. Go to starter. See, the other thing I could do is I could include, this might make more sense actually, is include 10,000 monthly downloads. Create unlimited podcasts, live customer support. And then we could have 2 additional team members. Thanks, man. Have a good night. See, this might be a better way of presenting this part. To have actually the monthly downloads here. Let's see how that feels when we do it with the next one. I could say 50,000 monthly downloads. And then 5 additional team members. Oh, this is interesting. Maybe I should just put employee accounts. Good night, man. Have good sleep. Yeah, it's getting dark here too. Oh, wait. First we gotta go. $50,000. What? Didn't I already put this? 50,000 monthly downloads. 5 employee accounts. That's a per podcast. That might be a better way of putting it. One password protected $500 private podcast subscribers. Let's see how this feels. The one thing I don't like about this is it almost seems like this has more features, you know? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I think too, man. Gotta think of how I'm gonna present that. So, I mean, over here, you can remove the branding, which is a big deal. I mean, this is nice because this is going to be right across the board. You're going to be able to see. Well, let's do that. Let's just keep going and we'll see how it feels. So this is 150,000 monthly downloads. I wonder if we should add unlimited account. That would be interesting. The motivation for moving away from this layout is, I think it's less clear. Like when people land here, I think this is hard to quantify in your brain. Even having to like look over and like it just feels like a lot of work to differentiate these. Whereas this one, it's very clear what you get with each. And I think it might also force us to really figure out how are we going to differentiate all of these, right? Like maybe I take away this part here. Like maybe these, I don't know. Yeah, maybe I can't get away from that. That is one thing about this, is that it makes you have to think too much, maybe. Like maybe it's just easier if you can just go, okay, like what's in all of these? And if at the bottom you see, oh wait, I get this private podcasting stuff. The other thing we could do is, instead of having this, let's just go back here for a sec. What happens if we delete that? What happens here? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think you're right there. So maybe I should keep this up here. What do I need to make this thing? Focus outline none. Shadow outline. How do I make this? Hello? Probably around 5. All right, sorry, back. Yeah, I don't know how to change this thing. I'm guessing I need a different box shadow, and I need it, like what's the RGB? Where's the color picker? How do I see what the actual RGB value of this is? It's not helpful. What's this? 226, 232, 240. Yeah, more like a pricing page experiment, I think. Not changing pricing yet. Yeah, just changing the design from, where's my page now? I've got too much things open. Changing it from a big table like this to a more column look like this. Okay, so let's go back here. What's this one? Where is this all defined, this box shadow stuff? I gotta figure that out later. Okay, so might have to be enough for today just because I gotta get going here. But at least we got some of this kind of, you know, it's mostly all there. And I think I got to decide how I want to show these right here, monthly downloads, and then if I want to list just everything each time so you can just look across. I think that's how it's going to have to be. Hey, how's it going, Mitch? Yeah, hopefully that's helpful for some folks. A lot of this is just kind of staring at it and trying out different things, right? I do think I don't think I want to do the everything in plus. I think I just want to put includes. I think there's too many cycles there. Better to just have it this and make it easy. Could you try reading out the Patreon supporters instead of John, and then John can say Junta? Yeah, we have to record a new episode still. Where John's kind of out of the, he's with family right now, so I don't think we've got we haven't recorded anything yet for the new year. We'll see what we can do though. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it here. Yeah, yeah, thanks everyone for hanging out. This is fun. Haven't done one of these in a while, so I'll try to do more of these more often as I'm thinking through different things. Why don't we just commit some of this? So, what are we gonna say? Experiment with pricing columns. Experimenting, moving from pricing table to pricing columns. I think this will make it easier for people to figure out what they want. Push that up. Oh, and actually, have I started? I should just start another experiment with pricing columns. So the story behind that is I used to work for, back in 2008, I worked for an email newsletter company called MailOut Interactive. And when I signed up for Twitter, I thought I was going to be just tweeting company-related stuff or, yeah. And so now I'm stuck with it. It's the worst username ever, but it's available everywhere. So kind of a bad personal branding decision, but now it's stuck. And I've said M.I. Justin, the letter M, the letter I, Justin. No, it's good to, it's a good story actually, because it just shows like there's no actual thinking in it. It's just accident, but it's fine, you know. Maybe if I had Justin Jackson the username, would that be any better? I don't know. Yeah, I gotta change. For a while I wanted to change my name to Dusty Jackson, because there's a million Justin Jacksons, but not very many Dusties. Okay, let me actually get one more commit in here just so I can connect these up. So, let's see. And you get 3 private podcasts and 1,000 private subscribers. Yeah, it's just one more thing to talk about, right? All right, so let's go back here and just see what this. So these kind of map. I think there's all sorts of inconsistencies here that I need to fix up, but yeah. Yeah, exactly. Way worse usernames, you're right. Oh man, we gotta fix the zoom thing. I gotta turn that off by default. That is no good. Let me fix this too before I forget about it. Yeah, that's quite common. Am I Justin? Or if you're, is it the Italians or the Spanish that use it like me? Me, Justin? Okay, let's see what how does this look? 2 employee contacts, 5 employee accounts, unlimited employee accounts. I've got to switch this. These might, yeah, maybe I take that out. Like, I don't know. This is always challenging thinking about all this stuff. And I almost want to make this a different color or... Take this out for now. Yeah, writing copy's not hard, but where they're similar, Mike, is you're just kind of putting things in and trying it out. Nothing's permanent, right? You're just putting it up on the wall and seeing how it looks. So, like already I like how I can look across here and see the differences, right? And still I need to figure out what I'm going to do with these two. If I put them in the list or whatever, but I've done quite a bit of that this week. I think I'm good. All right. Yeah, I think I'm going to end it now. Let's at least connect these back though. So let's put Clubhouse 2098. So if we push that, that should connect it up here. And yeah, I think finally I'm going to end the stream. Thanks everyone again. Have a good night.